Hello, and welcome to Soul Food Cooking. Today, I'll be making hot chocolate. You will need 1.5 cups of bittersweet chocolate chips, 6 cups of milk, 1.5 cups of heavy whipping cream, 1/2 cup of sweetened condensed milk, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. In a saucepan, combine the milk and heavy cream. Now add the sweetened condensed milk and slowly bring to a simmer. Now add the salt, vanilla, and the bittersweet chocolate chips. Make sure to use the bittersweet chocolate chips, as semi-sweet chocolate chips will not work well in this recipe. Continue to simmer for 10 to 15 minutes, stirring frequently. Do not allow your milk to boil. This hot chocolate is rich and simply amazing. I hope you give it a try. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to Soul Food Cooking.
To grasp how to make great food with steps.